friends, Keisha Shepard here, teacher, writer, and blogger at whispersfromtheridge.weebly.com. I'm back again today to share a short strategy for generating writing at home. I will be sharing a poem using that strategy that I wrote on my blog post and to offer you an invitation to write. Another strategy that I use when I'm generating writing is to borrow a line, and writers do this a lot. We can borrow a line from a piece of text, a movie, a poem, even a conversation that we've heard. And we can lift that line and just think about it for a moment and let it inspire us to write more on that topic or just whatever comes to mind with that line. So I'm going to share a poem. It's called Summer Wind. This poem was really inspired by, again, I took a line from a song and started thinking about the notion of a summer wind and what does the summer wind really mean? And, you know, when I think about it, the summer wind, it goes away and it's a seasonal thing. So got this idea of taking that line and writing a poem to see what comes. So I'm going to read that to you right now and then offer you an invitation to write using this strategy. Summer wind. Sometimes it's just a summer wind, blowing hard and strong, warm and dry. Just hold on, brace yourself. It'll die down when the sun sets. It'll pass. Don't let it overpower you. It can't sway you. Anchor it instead. Set your sails. Steady your course. Go with it. Let it move you closer and closer until you reach your destination. Then you'll see just how great a summer wind can be. So writers, as you're writing at home and you're generating all of these thoughts and ideas, this is one strategy that you might try, is to borrow a line. It can be, as I said, from a poem, a piece of text, a song, maybe a movie, or even a conversation that you're having at home with your family. So until next time, happy writing.